Had to take my spare tire off to have a place to put them on my air horns on the Kia. It's the Outlaw Chrome version. Very loud. Air compressors mounted in the back. No, can't see it. It's a 2-gallon tank. 12-volt air compressor running it. It's like a 300 cc. Takes about 3 minutes to blow the tank up. See if we can't get the phone to stay here, and I'll go blow the horns. Well, the phone fell over, but pretty sure you heard them. Tank blows up to 150 psi. Blow 'em one more last time. And there you have it.